So, what happens when an action camera brand designs a camera backpack? What makes it special? This is the newly launched Insta360 Explorer Backpack. If you already use our cameras, or any action camera for that matter, then this backpack is perfect for you. First, let's take a look at the overall layout of the bag. It has two main sections, a rear main compartment and a front multi-pocket compartment. The rear main compartment uses a double layer design. Open the outer zip and you get a sleeve that fits up to a 16-inch laptop. On the other side, open the inner zipper and you'll find a divided space with adjustable dividers. You can rearrange these to fit your cameras, lenses, and other gear. For quick access, there's also a side opening. You don't need to take your backpack off and go digging around. You can grab your gear straight from the side. At the front, besides these three storage pockets, there's also a little surprise hidden away, which we'll come back to in a moment. All of this already covers both everyday storage and shooting on the go. But what really makes this bag special are the details, designed specifically for action cameras. All around the outside of this bag are hidden mounting points that allow you to free up your hands whilst you shoot. If you're using a 360 camera, the backpack gives you three completely different viewpoints. Attach your selfie stick, thread it through the elastic strap and slot it into the hidden side mount. Now you've got an overhead camera position like this. If you attach the selfie stick to the quarter mount here, then route it through the strap loop and pull tight, you get a forward-facing shot like this. You may have noticed that there's already a built-in adapter on one of the shoulder straps. That's right, you can mount your 360 camera directly here too. If you're using an action camera instead, you can remove the two-prong adapter and swap it for the ACE or GO, two-prong magnetic quick release. Then you can mount it here to shoot from a first-person point of view. The GO's hat clip can also be fixed to the other strap. When you're running low on power, you can run a charging cable through the opening at the top of your bag straight to your camera, so you can walk and shoot with peace of mind. If the lens gets dirty, reach into the right shoulder strap and you'll find a built-in lens cloth. It's all here. The common problems that you worry about have already been thought through, with solutions built in. Beyond all of that, the bag is full of small details, specifically designed for creators. Remember the little surprise we mentioned at the front of the bag? It comes with a removable everyday organizer with internal dividers that you can store your action cameras and accessories. You can pull it out anytime and carry it on its own. And there's one more trick. Because the waist belt on the backpack is detachable, you can combine it with this pouch to make a waist bag. On top of that, both the shoulder straps and the waist belt have a place to tuck away gear. There are tie loops at the bottom, hooks on the side, and every zipper pull can be used to hang your equipment. We hope this backpack not only makes it easier to head out and shoot, but also helps in capturing more fun and spectacular content. And maybe it can do even more than we've shown here. We're looking forward to seeing what you do with it.